Peace, family. Here we declared our divine decree. The decree was received in the cosmic tree of fire to determine its movement day or night. Galactic Life Whole creates and defines the cosmic possibilities through radiogenesis. And once we have the possibilities, Galactic Art Whole shapes and forms it. And now we're at the octave of the union of ascent and descent, where the masculine and feminine principles bring unification, balance, and order to our divine decree. This is where the 5th octave, 13th strand is located on the hollow mind perceiver, beginning in the 9th to the 8th time dimension, 7th mental sphere. Our key consists of time, a circle, mind, a line, and space, the square. The union of ascent and descent relates to consciousness. Consciousness, our awareness of what is being registered by way of the senses. Now, this is an aboriginal continuity AC strand. It is conservative, future to present. 97 rune, union of ascent and descent. This rune is going to refer to the higher tantric principles of the masculine and feminine that operate as a unified force. Now, this is one of the reasons why our divine decree should reflect something that is needed for our earthly missions. These octaves aren't for engaging in materialism. Now, if a specific superpower is needed for a mission, it can be downloaded and it will be balanced. Perhaps your mission involves having a material thing. Then what? For instance, let's just say your mission is to minister to school kids at home schooling, okay? To help them to cultivate their godhood. Now the school is growing and you need a bigger space. So you make a divine decree. Let there be a modern space created for my classes that is accessible to the parents and suitable, affordable, and safe for the children and the staff. Now this is an example how we ask for material things. When it's not for personal benefit, but for the cause of our mission, these runes operate more smoothly. 98 rune. Time equalized by union of ascent and descent. Using our last example, the space that you declared will have both masculine and feminine principles applied to it. The spirit or feminine descends into the words of the decree, and the action of it, the masculine principle, evolves it. So therefore, both are equalized. 99 rune, space perfected by union of ascent and descent. By now we all know that space follows time. Time is equalized by union of ascent and descent, which perfects the space. Space is infinitely locatable, which means that we can trust that the space will materialize in a divine manner. The 100th rune, union of ascent and descent, established as cosmic space. When we're talking about establishing, we're setting it up, it's permanent, it's something that we're laying down. And if there's a cosmic space that has both the principles of masculine and feminine, then we know that there's going to be balance, order, and unification in cosmic space. 101 rune, system of command actualized in time. And as you can see, there's a lot of writing on this slide, but I'm going to break it down. A system is similar to our time space. Remember that a time space is a medium that exists for the organization of intelligent life and forms. Okay, so this room is a system of commands that become a reality or actualize, that prepares it for synchronization. And we can't forget that our form comes from morphogenesis, where we just left in octave number 4. 102 rune, system of command evolves cosmic space. The system of command includes the forms. Because space is an infinitely locatable point, it can't just remain stayed. It must evolve with everything else. 103 rune, channel of command becomes self-evolving. Systems are a set of connections that form a complex whole. A channel narrows the connective parts of that system into a passageway of commands that self-evolve. 104 room, channel of command creates cosmic order. So this whole octave is in the business of creating unification, balance, and order with both masculine and feminine principles. In summation, union of ascent and descent operate as a unified force. Time is equalized. Space is perfected. It is established as cosmic space. System of command is made real or realized in time. System of command evolves cosmic space. Channel of command becomes self-evolving. Channel of command creates cosmic order. Join me in the very last tutorial for the octave of infinite mind wave. And if you like the videos, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone that wants to learn about the talking trees in the hollow mind perceiver. And for those who are wondering, we will do a final summation of all 6 octaves and strands 9 through 14. Peace to the gods.